guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day during 31 days. Almost got it. You guys know this is really hard for me to say. Guys, welcome back. Today we will have some Chanel, because it's been 30 minutes. I was looking for 2 bags because I wanted to do them before this one, and I cannot find them because if you could see how my studio looks, you would cry. Box everywhere, mess everywhere, and voila, this is how it is, the backstage of YouTube. Guys, if you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video, because I think we are in the middle of the month, so still 15 unboxings to come. Little info and disclaimer. I think I will have, if you watched my previous video, you will know. Do you remember limited edition t-shirt? I just decided to put it at the back because, voilà. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's because you missed a previous video. And yeah, I decided to keep, my upcoming videos, like I will have the same t-shirt and everything. Because I used to put some vintage shirts with a lot of prints, silk, etc. And sometimes I saw in the camera that my shirt was more wow than the bag, and I don't want my 20 bucks shirt to be more wow than my bag. So from now I will have a clean look, clean hair, clean everything. Low-key. Babsi decided to go low-key. You know it's never going to happen. And voila for the little info. So coming back to the video and to the bag. Chanel, this side. So it's not the black dust bag we all love. It's the vintage one, which is, I have a few of them, and they are really good to puff scratches on your bag. I have flying stuff in the air. Mais let's stop the blah blah blah. Babsi, ça suffit. And let me show you this beauty. Do you understand why I wanted to have a low-key look? Because the bag is wow! The light is killing. Can you see the beauty? Okay, I have a super strong light, so I'm seeing like scratches I didn't see when I look at it because my eyes, it's just normal eyes. Let me show you all the details. So this is a chocolate bar. Why do they call it like this? I think it's because, the stitching, it's a square, like chocolate bar. In gold color. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Let me open it. So when you open, close your eyes. So flash, so on your face, extremely low-key. So inside, okay, I still have, look, the tags and all the chains. Alors, I have an extra chain because the seller, I think she wanted to wear it crossbody, so I have an extra chain. But let me finish with the bag inside. As you can see, I have the sticker. Do I have the authenticity card? No. Here you have 2 slots, the pocket for the lipstick, and when it comes to the digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits, starting with 7. And I know because my iconic, we'll link it here, my iconic, the classic flap with the little like emoji, it started with 7, and I know she was from 2002, 2003, so it means they are from the same era, and it means you are vintage this year or next year. And I really have to organize a birthday party for my new vintage bags. They will celebrate the vintage year, so I don't know if you guys would virtually, digitally join this party, but who knows. So the seller, I think she wanted, to have it crossbody, and she put this gold chain. I will just remove it because it's not part of the bag, and I want to keep it like only feeling better. So this is a shoulder bag. It's a shoulder one, and this is my second chocolate bar. I have one in light denim that I got a few years, like 2 years ago, 3 years ago maybe. And as you can see, this one is from Vestiaire Collective. I see that I will need to repair a little stitch here, because as you can see, the leather is living its best life. And what can I say about this bag? This is a beautiful like shoulder bag moment under the shoulder. As you can see, you can still add a strap if you wanna wear it crossbody. I really love the color, and this is why I got it. 3 years ago, I was flirting with a gold, the same gold classic flap. It was around 2000 something, and I didn't have the money to get it. And of course, COVID arrived, the market exploded, and blah blah blah, and really hard to get bags, vintage Chanel bags that has a different color. Not talking about black. Black is really easy to get, but when it comes to gold, silver, orange, yellow, pink, baby pink, blue, all those purple, I'm dying. I want a purple Chanel bag ASAP, because I don't have one, and the crazy collector in my head is having some anxiety crisis, so I need a purple one. So coming back to this one, when I saw this one, I already had my chocolate bar, so I know that it's a really nice bag. Okay, it's a shoulder bag. Okay, really, I'm the most styling YouTube ever. This was a beautiful mudshot. I think I will just cut it. So yeah, when I saw this one of Vestiaire Collective, I was like, should I get it? Should I not get it? And I was like, I really like this, how can I say, this size and the color. It's a gold one, and I don't have anything against gold, but I think it's more a bag I'm going to wear for dinner, for a night out. And this is a perfect size. Of course, if I could have the classic flap, I would just take it. And I'm still eyeing some bags that has some gold tone to it, because I think it's beautiful. Even during daytime, it's really nice. But I don't know, this one is so like disco, like, you know, like this, yeah, early 2000 shoulder bag moment. I was like, I'm gonna get it. I'm not going to let this one go, because I don't know if I will ever be able to find another gold Chanel bag. And I'm quite happy I got this one. I don't know what you guys think about it. I don't know if you guys like the chocolate chocolate bar bag, because I don't know if we have a lot of reviews or something on YouTube about this bag. This bag, when the like 3 years ago, you could find for around 600 to 700. You could have a few colors, and I was always like, oh, later, later, later. And then when the second-hand market went crazy, impossible to find. And even today, it's more rare to come, you know, buy these bags, because they just disappeared. So I think Hey June, she has one in beige color. I'm not sure if I'm crazy or what, but yeah, beautiful, beautiful bag. Guys, let me know what you think about it. I think I will create a new kind of videos, like bags in motion, where I like spend the day with the bag. I do the test drive. I need to find another word for this, and we see if the bag is worth it or not. But as it's a vintage Chanel, we don't care if the bag is worth it or not. It's Chanel, so we do anything for Chanel. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let me know what you think about this beautiful, shiny, gold disco bag. En tout cas, je vous fais des gros bisous, and I see you tomorrow for another unboxing. Bye!